Inamin ngayon ni Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla na tinanong siya ng Pangulo kaugnay kay Police General Nicolas Torre bago ito sinibak. Sabi niya, hindi sila nagkasundo ni Torre sa rigodon sa PNP at inirekomenda umano niyang patibayin ang PNP bilang institusyon. May inalok din anya ang Pangulo na bagong posisyon kay Torre. Kung tungkol saan, alamin sa pagtutok ni Mariz Umali, exclusive.
Sa isang pagtitipon sa Makati, eksklusibong nakausap ng GMA Integrated News si DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla matapos ang pagsibak kay dating PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III. Kung kahapon sabi ni Remulla, wala siyang naging papel sa pagkakasibak ni Torre, pag-amin ngayon ni Remulla, tinanong siya ng Pangulo kung ano ang rekomendasyon niya ukol dito. Inamin din ni Remulla, di sila nagkasundo ni Torre sa rigodon ng mga opisyal sa PNP. Matatandaan nitong August 6 lang ay ni-reassign ni General Torre ang 13 senior police official kabilang ang number 2 senior official na si Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. Hindi ito inaprubahan ng NAPOLCOM na pinamumunuan ni Remulla bilang ex-officio chairperson nito. Pero ipinatupad pa rin ito ni General Torre sa kabila ng utos ng NAPOLCOM.
This is a difference of opinion.
Presidente at ni General Torre?
It's actually me first.
Okay.
It was me first. And then it was difference between me and the general, and he refused. He insisted that his system be followed. But again, as I said yesterday, we're a nation of laws and not of men. So it cannot be one person who dominates everything. So in the end, there was no rancor naman. He just couldn't accept it, and the president said, okay, he asked me for my recommendation. And I said, we have to continue in this path of correcting all the errors of before. And
Of the previous administration?
yes, and part of that is strengthening the institutions. My recommendation was that we have to strengthen the institution, that the institution must be protected. And then all the decisions followed from there.
Ang tinutukoy ni Remulla na pagkakamali ng nakaraang administrasyon ay ang pagpapahintulot nito sa PNP chief na siyang mag-isang magtalaga ng mga assignment ng mga senior official ng PNP nang hindi dinadaan sa NAPOLCOM. Nais na raw itama ito ng Marcos administration.
Ever since PRRD's time, when the NAPOLCOM was totally bypassed of all appointments, it became now the right rather than the privilege of every PNP chief na sila ang bahala sa movements ng level 3 and above, yung mga colonels to generals. And the president merely wanted to restore that into institutions